If you're a business owner, I'd like to share a free program for you to give you a unique edge, because running a business is one of the most mentally demanding things that a person can do. There's constant decisions to make, people to manage, problems to solve, and pressure never really switches off. And yet most business owners are taught how to run a business, but almost nobody teaches them how to run their mind. Yet their mind is where all decisions come from. Sounds a bit crazy, doesn't it? That's because it is. Now, two business owners can face exactly the same challenge. One panics, one thinks clearly and finds a solution. The difference is not intelligence. It's not experience. It's how the mind processes pressure. Because the truth is, your business will never outperform your thinking. I'll say that again. Your business will never outperform your thinking. Successful entrepreneurs develop mental skills that allows them to stay calm under pressure, communicate effectively, make confident decisions, and solve problems quickly. And many of these skills come from a field called Neuro Linguistic Programming, or NLP as it's otherwise known. NLP studies how successful people think, communicate, and make decisions, and then teaches those patterns to others. Hi, my name is Rick Schnabel, and back in the early 2000s, I began learning NLP and learned how to master it. Now I'm one of just a few Australian master trainers of NLP. Now, for over 2 decades, I've been teaching NLP and coaching people from all walks of life, including business owners, leaders, and entrepreneurs, to get beyond their limits and grow their businesses to actually match their visions. Now, after coaching for over 39,000 hours, one thing became very, very clear to me. Many of the biggest challenges business owners face aren't actually business problems, they're thinking problems. Stress, overwhelm, difficult conversations, self-doubt, decision fatigue. So I decided to create something simple to help, a short free course designed specifically for business owners. It's called Empower. Inside this course, you'll learn practical and mental tools that help you to regain emotional control in stressful situations, build instantaneous rapport with clients and staff, access confidence when you need it, solve problems more effectively, and stay focused on what grows your business. Now, each lesson we've aimed to keep it down to about 10 or 20 minutes, and it gives you one powerful idea that you can apply immediately. These are simple tools, but they can make a profound difference to you and so your business. Because when you learn how to manage your thinking, you make much better decisions, you communicate more effectively, and you lead your business with far more confidence and clarity. Now, for some people, this course will give them some valuable tools they can use in their business. For others, it becomes the first step into learning NLP more deeply, which is something we explore in our full life coach and NLP practitioner training. NLP is one of those things that we all should have learned in school, but we didn't. We learned to drive a car, but we never learned to drive our minds. The best place to start is here. So if you're a business owner who wants to think more clearly, wants to handle pressure better and make stronger decisions, then I invite you to join the free Empower course. Simply click on the link and get started, and I'll see you inside the first lesson.